Looking at this graph, immediately it looks more like a cosine curve because it seems to go from a maximum to a maximum. So we're going to approach this from the perspective of doing a cosine function first, and then we will modify it to be a sine function. Start off by getting the maximum and the minimum. I can see that my maximum value is 9 and my minimum value is -7. So my a value is max minus min, which is 9 minus -7 divided by 2, which works out to be 8. My c value is going to be max plus min divided by 2, which works out to be 1. Looking back in terms of cosine, the maximum would normally start at the y-axis, but it's offset 10 degrees to the right, so that means the d value is 10 degrees to the right. So that will work out to be an x minus 10 in your final function. Let's get the period. If we draw in the c value, the 1, we can see my period goes from 10 to 130. So 130 minus 10 is 120. My period is 120 degrees. My k value is going to be 360 divided by 120, so my k value is 3. Taking those pieces together now, if we look at it in terms of cos, we get 8 cos 3 x minus 10 plus 1. Now if I want to look at it in terms of sine, sine is going to start where the curve is on the axis of symmetry, which is right here, and it'll go to here. If you look at this distance here, from the max, where the cos starts, to the equilibrium, where the sine starts, that's 30 degrees, which is a quarter period. There's a quarter period here, a quarter period here, a quarter period here, and a quarter period there to complete the cycle. So the sine starts 1/4 period to the left of cosine. So if a quarter period is going to be 30, 10 minus 30 is -20. So that tells me that my d value for the sine is -20, so that's going to be x plus 20, which means that for the sine function, I would have 8 sine 3 times x plus 20 plus 1.